Hello everyone, my name is G. Nagbal Subramanyam. I am studying ECE at VVIT College Guntur. My roll number is 20BQ180456. Today our topic is about tuple.
Tuple. A tuple is a Python sequence which stores a group of elements or items. Tuples are similar to lists, but the main difference between tuple and the list are tuples are immutable, whereas lists are mutable. Once we create a tuple, we cannot modify. Tuples are generally used to store data which should not modified and retrieve the data on demand. We see how to create a tuple. While creating a tuple, we can separate the elements by writing commas inside parentheses. To create a tuple with only one element, we can mention that element in parentheses and after the element we need to place comma. Here we see I take an name tup and in that tup I enter 10. Here I need to print the type of tup, it displays integer type, and if I place comma beside the 10 element, it gives the display tup as 10, but the type of the tup is tuple. We see accessing the values in tuple. Accessing the element from tuple can be done by using indexing or slicing. Here we see I take an name variable tup that gives 5 values 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Here I need to print tup of 0 that prints the first element and as 50, and I need to print tup of 1 column 4, it gives 60, 70, 80. That means it gives the first tup of 1 to tup of 3, and I need to print tup of minus 1 that gives the like list, and I need to print tup of minus 1 column minus 4 column minus 1, it gives 90, 80, 70. Here the first minus 1 indicates the reverse order and minus 4 indicates up to the minus 4 values, and the minus 1 indicates in the reverse order and it gives 90, 80, 70. Like I have to print minus 4 column minus 1 that has to print the values from minus 4 to up to minus 1. See updating a value or deleting a value. These cannot update any value due to tuples are immutable. Here I take a equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a of 2 equal to 6. I update the value of 3 as 6 and I need to print a. It gives an error. And these cannot delete any value due to tuples are immutable. Here I take a equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again and I have to delete a of 2, that means 3. Then I have to print a. It gives a type error. Item deletion is not supported in tuples. Like we see the methods of tuple. Here I take t equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and I have to get length of t, it gives the return value 5. Next one, I have to concatenate tup1 plus tup2 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values of tup1 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 values of tup2. I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I take tup equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and n equal to 2. Then the tup has been multiplied 2 times and print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I take tup equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and x equal to 2. If x in 2, that means 2 in tup, then it returns 2. tup1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, tup2 equal to 6, 5, 3, and 9. Here I have to compare the both elements. We get 3 and 5 as common. The maximum of tup gives the value of 5, and I have to print the minimum of tup with minimum value. We get 1 as the minimum value, and if I print tuple of list, the tuple can be converted into list. Now we see take tup equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and tup.count x equal to returns how many times the x found in the tuple, and tup.index of x returns the first occurrence of the element x in tuple, raises value error if x not in found the tuple, and we see shorted tuple, it gives the shorted in ascending order. Next we see nested tuple. A tuple within another tuple is called a nested tuple. Here we see a program students equal to Ravi CSC 92 marks, Ramu EC 93 marks, Raja is EEE 87 marks. For I in students print I, it gives the output as Ravi CSC 92, Ramu EC 93, Raja EEE 87. Write a program to compute elements with sum of given tuples. I take a equal to 1 2 3 4, b equal to 1 1 1 1 and c equal to 4 3 2 1. Later I take tuple space sum as a empty list and I using for loop for I in range of 0 comma length of a, that gives all the lengths are same, so I take length of a up to. Later I append the tuple sum values as tuple sum dot append of a of I plus b of I plus c of I. That means the values of a of 0, a of 0, c of 0, when we add it, that we get the 1 plus 1 plus 4 as 6. So I need to print in tuple sum, we get 6666 output. And thanks for watching.